Hello everyone, my name is Michael, I'm from the Godable team and I'm here after a long break. So, there has come a new mod out. Yay! Okay, there's been a lot of mods out, but this mod is fantastic, I need to say. It's the League of Crafting mod, and I forgot to, whatever. So, I'm gonna show you all the mobs, all the items, all the freaking everything. Especially these diamonds, they're beautiful. You are the most beautiful diamond. Yeah, whatever. Okay, first of all, I'm gonna show you the items. So, I've used custom NPCs to do this, so, yeah. We got the shopkeeper here, we can shop with him. So, let's first of all buy the weapons. Okay, you've may already seen one of the... I'm gonna buy a few of those. Because I think I'm gonna use them a lot. Let's just take for a stack of them. Nice. And a stack of those. I really hope the knobs do so. And shift. Okay, as you may already seen, I got an extra life. And that's because of the second item I'm gonna show you. First of all, I'm gonna show you Teemo's Blowguard done. I got some people who'd like to volunteer. So first of all, I'm gonna use this. You see, we use the darts. They're poisonous. They hurt. Okay, I don't know how much they hurt, but we're gonna shoot a creeper. Pew! Pew! As you can see in these effects, they are poisoned. Pew! 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 The item itself doesn't do that. Oh! Christ. Yeah. I'm gonna fix that. See you in a second. Okay, I'm back. Okay, kids. Today's lesson, don't go near a creeper. They hurt. Okay, second weapon is the Doran's Blade. It's a sword that does 6 damage. 6 lives of damage. And, oh, sorry. I forgot to go. And it gives you an extra heart buff. Just like 3 hits on a creeper and it dies. Next of all, it's Tristana's cannon, and you use 6 bombs to fire it. So let's fight. It's a little bit hard to shoot with, and it doesn't really do damage. Oh wait, it does. I didn't know that. Why doesn't it explode? That's weird. It doesn't do that much damage though. That's sad. Okay, I've showed you all the weapons, and I'm gonna go further out to the creatures. I've heard something about some pushing in bot lanes, so we'll see you there. Actually, I just decided that we will go around, see this beautiful map. It's not from the mod. It's actually from another map creator who created this as an adventure map, or mini-game map, I'm not sure. Where is my mobs? Where is it? Where is it? Oh. I knew that. Okay. Fair enough. Apparently I need to show you... he's not there, is he? No, he's not. Let's do this in creative then. Okay, first of all, it's my favorite creature. It's Kog'Maw. At least in this mod. So, this is the Kog'Maw. Isn't he so cool? I mean, holy fuck. Who would not have this guy in his garden? Okay, he got a special treat for us, so if we kill him, he's gonna say boom. And that's awesome. Okay, for the next mob. As the next mob we have is the minion. He just added this with Kog'Maw, and they don't really do anything. Now they're just pretty easy to kill and give some XP. You could probably do something like... I'm pretty sure Kog'Maw is just freaking running around here right now. Okay. Let's go to the jungle. I think there was a guy. No, he's not here. Let's go to the mid lane. No, wait, there's a... Twitch is trying to take the red buff. And Twitch is not freaking here. Where the goddamn is they? Are they? They're probably fled. I should have built better fences. Where are they? Where is it? Okay, in a way I'm just gonna spawn it. Twitch is definitely one of my favorite characters in this mod pack. And Twitch don't drop anything, I think. But try and look at this model. It's epic. He got his little crossbow. I'm pretty sure it doesn't shoot. At least not when in game mode. Do you shoot me? Shoot me! Oh, he throws poisons at me. That's cool. I don't know what he's throwing at me right now, but he's not so good at it. But I'm gonna kill it, and he drops... I think he drops potion items. So, let's go to the mid lane. And here is no one, because they all fled. This is just sad. I should have been better to this. Okay, here's one of the coolest models in the games. Not Annie, cause I like Annie's. Oh, that's Teemo's. Whatever. I like Annie, cause she got that sparkling eye, and he got tippers. I really hope he adds some abilities to them, so that she like throw tippers or something. You throw him in like a weapon or something. But let's kill her and see what she drops. Nothing. Wow. Sad girl. Okay, let's go to Teemo. Teemo have a chance, I think, of dropping his blowgun and some pipes. I mean, he did drop some shots. I can shot him with this guy. Okay, there's some other junglers. No, wait, what? Oh, whatever. Wasn't there? I'm pretty sure there was. Oh wait, yeah, 6. 6 is pretty derpy model, I think. I should have tested this before I did start recording. Okay, whatever. 6 got a little bit derpy model.
Where'd that bomb go?
And the sound is so freaking awesome. I'm gonna turn the music, and I should probably not have it that high. Like this should be fine. Try and hear it. Say something. Yeah, whatever, you heard it.
Where'd that bomb?
You hear that? That's so sweet. And let's try and kill him and see what he drops. I think he drops bombs. Yes, he does. The bombs right now don't have a use other than shooting with the cannons. And it doesn't really have that big blast rate. So it's not the most OP item in the world, but it does a little bit of damage. Let's go to the top lane and see the other models. I hate when it does this. But now you can see that there's X for every mod. Oh yeah, try and listen. Okay, this is 2 seconds. I like that music. Okay, this is Tristana, and she is cute and awesome. Let's kill her. And she drops rotten flesh. I don't know why, but she also should drop her cannon. So, and here's Mundo. He's pretty much one of the awesome characters. And look at his tongue. I'm pretty sure it moves. I have seen it should move. Move! Move. Okay, let's try and get him to shoot us. Mundo, shoot us. Ouch. Did you see that? Slowness. He's throwing stuff at us. And you can see he got his thing up. He got his animation going when he's shooting. See? Shot? Shoot us, Mundo! Shoot me! Okay. Shoot me, Mundo! Ah! You see, now he got his axe down and ready for shoot. And everything is just perfect about this model. This is definitely one of his best animated models. Okay, what did he drop? I think he destroyed his drop. Whatever. 2 seconds. Like that. Okay, there's the last thing I'd like to show you. It's called the Nexus. The Nexus is right now the only block he got in the game. And I think it could be better than what it's doing. It's the only way to contain and get minions. It's pretty easy. I don't think it works with more than one. But you put it down and you right click it and it spawns a minion. Pretty easy, right? Easy peasy. How many hearts does he actually have? 4, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 7 hearts. When you can see there comes a next text that says the Nexus is cooling down. I think that's a little bit annoying, and it have a very long cooldown duration, so. But let's go and do a little bit of It's made by Durax, or in Denmark, Durox. I think that Durax accent sounds a little bit cooler. And his YouTube channel is youtube.com/user/Schningo. I don't know if that's O or it's a 0, but I don't really care. And the mod author is called Swaffle, and I think he's one of the creators of the mod Pixelmon. So I think that's why the models are so epic, but right now he's updating it a lot. So I think that's awesome. I mean, he have had one update since I saw this mod first, and that's the 6 model, and apparently the minions fight each other. Let's try that before it's shut down. If they get in too many groups, they should begin to fight each other. Why won't you fight? Oh, there we go. I think there came a blue one. But they aren't fighting each other. And they should be diable, but it haven't worked for me. I've tried it a lot. And they are fighting each other. There should be a possibility to die them. Maybe it needs to be another game mode. I don't know if the mod author is watching this. Oh, they actually hurt. Ouch. Ouch. Kill me! Kill me! Kill me. Okay, I think that was the end of the mod review. Thank you so much for watching, and please, sorry for yawning. Please send a message to Swaffle that I've created this if you see this. The link will be in the description for both map and mod download. Also, yeah, I think that's it. So, yeah, and I'm dead. I'm gonna jump. Geronimo! I think I'm gonna die. Why do I always die? Ouch.
Bye.